All right. Welcome everybody to one more Trinkerr Talks ka show, and I have with us Harmonics Traders Arun sir, and we're going to discuss what happened in the market today, and we're going to discuss what he expects that what will happen tomorrow. So the floor is all yours, sir. Mic is yours. Please share your insights with us.
Hey, thank you. Thanks for the invite. And Nifty and Bank Nifty both rallied very nicely today. Nifty, it was more than like 150 plus points. So one side move. Even Bank Nifty tried to correct a bit in the market, but Nifty, it was times stronger than Bank Nifty, and it has convincingly closed above the psychological number 17,500. So we posted a few days before. Okay, so these are the upcoming harmonics resistance for Nifty. So what is harmonics? So harmonics is nothing but the combination of Fibonacci extension and retracement. So this is the place FIB 16 where we shared like the bearish harmonics positional sell is active, and based on our time cycle as well, the major top is done here. So we posted all these on Feb 21, like this particular chart is active and the positional sell is kind of on. And what happened post that? So from here, Nifty corrected by close to 1,500 plus points. And very recently, we mentioned the GAN reversal date is March 20. So again, all these posts were made in February. Anything you could just find from our Telegram channel. So we mentioned this bearish trend is going to continue till March 20, and post that the bulls are going to come. So if you just see, so that is what happening. And the current bull cycle we are expecting to run at least till May. So May first or second week, we could expect the correction to happen. Until otherwise, or as long Nifty is trading above this harmonics by number 16,830, the market is totally buy-in dip.
Right.
Now, so of course, from here, again, 500 plus points done. So if you ask, like, what is the important numbers for tomorrow? So to start with, again, we have a first harmonic sell coming after the bull rally started. So from 16,840, the bull rally started, and after that, so far like 500 plus points up move is done. So for tomorrow, this 17,687. Okay, so this 17,687, this is a harmonic sell number. So this is going to act as a decent resistance. If in case Nifty opens, let's say like with a small gap of opening, or if in case it opens somewhere around here, we could expect at least 50 to 80 points correction to happen with respect to 17,687. Now, again, with respect to harmonics, and also if you are a technical player, you can see this place is a beautiful price action number. So here we could see like multiple pin bars. So it was a support, then rejection or resistance, again support, and here it is rejection, right? So obviously this 17,800. So this is going to act as next important number. And with respect to price action rule, so very simple rule is when the past support is acting as resistance, it will be more powerful.
Right.
So we have the next resistance around 17,804, and we give something called a make-up break number. So make-up break number is just like the pivot. So what does it do? When Nifty is moving up and it is approaching make-up break number, it tries to take support. Let's say like Nifty has opened here. So this 17,687 or 90 started to act as resistance. From here, we could expect a bounce to happen. So that is the role of make or break number. If in case a gap down opening, and if in case it moves towards make or break number, so this make or break number will be acting as resistance.
Absolutely.
So if you're an intra player, you could always rely on these numbers, and our stop loss is always fixed. So you could trade with 51 point as SL for Nifty.
Right.
And with respect to supports, we have the first support at today's low. So again, this was previously it was acting as beautiful support, then rejection, and again now even like the yesterday's open high, it is acting as support. So obviously 17400, this will be acting as a crucial support number.
Yeah.
With respect to second support, the recent pin bar low 17313, this will be acting as next major support. So with respect to Nifty, if you are an player, if in case Nifty comes towards 17690, one could try for short with 51 pointers SL. And if in case it comes near 17411, one could try long with 51 pointers SL. Rest of the thing we call it as like no trade zone. So we basically trade only based on our numbers. We don't trade daily. So we just wait for our numbers, and if our number comes, we'll be initiating our trades.
Perfect.
We'll move on to Bank Nifty and Nifty broader view. So as long Nifty is trading above 16,830, the bull run is going to continue. So once a Nifty takes this resistance, 1800 is the next important resistance with respect to Nifty. And of course, market never moves in straight line. So there will be some correction as well. But overall, there is good chances like Nifty could test 18,000 in long run as long as 16,800 has been held.
Yeah. Perfect.
Okay, we'll move on to Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty again, so beautiful trend line resistance. So if you just see, this is the long-term trend line resistance of Bank Nifty. And today it has closed comfortably above the trend line resistance. So this is showing the bulls are coming back with very much aggression, and we can't simply sell thinking like there are like last 4 days, 5 days, Bank Nifty went up by 2,000 points. So let me short. That doesn't work in this market because after too many corrections, now the bulls are kind of back. So in case you are an intra reversal player, just look for very powerful numbers to initiate the trade. Okay, again with respect to the harmonics perspective, we have a harmonic cell here. So again, if you're a newbie, don't get scared about harmonics. So it is very simple and easy to learn. So just click on this particular tool and you have to draw like this. Okay. So you can just Google and get like what is harmonics, or you could check our YouTube channel Harmonics Traders, where we have shown the video like how you could draw these kind of charts. Okay, now coming to Bank Nifty. So this is the selling area. So again, here again triple top rejection, and we have a harmonic sell. So that is always very powerful. So we could expect if in case BNF comes towards 41,440. This X is going to be the SL. One could take short with 100 points. So for Bank Nifty, we follow not 1 point as risk for single lot. And we have the next resistance on this particular high. Just little above is 41,700. So this will be the next resistance for Bank Nifty.
Okay.
So 41,716, one could look for shorting opportunity, and 41,440. This is the primary resistance. So if any gap up opening comes, and if BNO comes here, we could expect at least 100 to 200 points correction. Now the only problem with respect to the BS is VIX is very much stable. It is trading around 11-12 levels. So obviously there will not be very much movement with respect to options. So if you're an option intra player, just try to trade in ITM options, trade with small SL, and whatever point you're getting, use the ESL to lock them and book the points. Again with the make or break number, so this particular pin bar 4100. So this will be acting as like crucial pivot 4100. With respect to support. Okay, so these price action number 4700. This will be acting as okay. So this covers all the pin bars. Here support, rejection, and again support, support, and this is rejection. So this 4650, this is a wonderful price action number with the Bank Nifty. So if in case it is coming down, this 4650, this will be acting as good support. That is number 4350. This will be acting as second support. So now this is a case with Bank Nifty for tomorrow. So any gap up opening, and if it touches the harmonic cell, yes, there is high possibility it is going to fall, and any gap down opening. So from here, we could expect the up move to happen in Bank Nifty.
Perfect.
Okay. Now we'll come to Finnifty. So again, all the three index are just going in the same pattern. So the long-term trend line resistance, if we just see, so this is the long-term trend line resistance of Finnifty. So Finnifty has broken that comfortably. Or all the three index, they are coming out of the triangle or the wedge pattern, and they are trying to form like higher highs significantly. And so again, this is the harmonics number. So 18,620, this is going to act as the primary resistance, and we have something called anchor. So what is anchor? The strong red candle. When I say like strong red candle, the body should be at least 2 times the length of the range, or the body, let's say like range is 300 points. The body should at least be say 2/3 of this point, or like more than 230, 240. So these candles high will be acting as significant resistance. Likewise, if you just see, this is a bullish action. So this anchor low will be acting as support. Now for tomorrow, so 18,742, this is going to act as R2 for Finnifty. Finally, so the make or break number, we have around 18,326. So we have a small gap to be filled. So if in case it comes towards 18,164, that will be acting as a very good support. And this trend line, which was acting as resistance previously, it is going to act as support. So 1841, this will be acting as next important support. So these are the numbers with respect to index for tomorrow. So one could trade, and again, like for Finnifty, one could follow 41 point as SL. Always trade with small SL, and try to be a hunter. To just wait patiently for these numbers to get active, and then one could initiate the trade. So to know like how these numbers work, you could check our past videos as well. So every day we used to share in Trinkerr in our YouTube channel. You could see like these numbers have at least 70 to 75% accuracy.
Awesome. Absolutely beautiful, sir.
Thank you. Thank you.
Right. So this was our session. Hope you liked it. Sir's analysis is absolutely spot on. It's beautiful. It's brilliant. And your charts speak so much, sir. All kudos to your talent, to your skills, sir.
Thank you. Thank you, bro.
Thank you for your time, sir. And we have so much more to learn from you. We'll definitely do this again. And next time also we'll discuss these levels. Thank you for your time, sir.
Thank you, bro. Have a nice day. Bye-bye. Thank you all.